remember with the success and transformation, the intention is for it to happen as quickly as possible. The
I like that.
allowance is it may take a long time.
Mm, but I don't need to limit it by thinking it's going to take a long time. I get to allow
Exactly.
that it could be just
Yep,
like that. Yeah,
exactly.
but that doesn't feel nice. Yeah, that's ingrained.
See, because what's happening is if you're taking a long time to get through it, part of you is feeling satisfied. You're
Right.
getting it, you're getting your fix of like, look
Fix.
at me doing this, doing the work, putting all
Mm-hmm.
the effort. Oh, I'm so proud of myself, as opposed
Right.
to "Oh, it's gone. Proud of myself.
Yeah. So, question then, because of, I mean, why I started my business is the story about my health.
Mhm.
So it's that fine line between, hey, I've improved and I'm doing better than ever.
Mhm.
And yet part of me is still going, but that's how I'm identifying because that's how I started. So my story still has to be there. And I can't ever be good enough. I can't ever get out of it because then I'm not part of my story of why I started.
Okay. Why?
I don't like that.
Number one, it's just it's your story that you won't be part of your own story. Like
That's
it's
right.
there, it's in your life. It's always going to be your story,
Right. I don't have to
right?
still be living in it.
You don't have to live in it, but you have the memory of it. You can do talks about it. I
Right.
don't live in my arthritis. I do talks about it.
Right. So I don't have to feel it every time I talk about it either.
Yep, exactly.